Konnichiwa. How do you know which Japanese teacher is right for you? There are so many teachers to choose from. My students often say to me, "I'm so lucky I found you." That's how I want you to feel when you find the right teacher for you. Like you found a hidden gem. If you want to achieve your goal smoothly by finding your best private Japanese teacher, this video is just for you. My 5 tips will give you the tools you need to make the right decision. I'm Mineko Arai. I've spent the last 20 years teaching at top universities in the UK, as well as consulting for the British Foreign and Commonwealth Office, the British Museum, and companies like Sony and Deloitte. If you want more content to help you become a confident Japanese speaker, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's start. 1. Make sure the teacher understands your culture and language background. If your teacher understands your culture and language background, they'll be able to give you appropriate explanation and feedback that will help you avoid and move past expressions that native Japanese people don't say. You'll be able to shift from your own cultural mentality and learn how native Japanese speakers think and express themselves, which will make your Japanese sound natural and fluent. A phrase I always use is mind equal expressions. I normally use it to talk about how learners can learn better by understanding the cultural mindset behind the Japanese expressions they are studying, but I think it also applies to Japanese teachers. If a teacher can understand your way of thinking and cultural perceptions in your country, they'll be able to help you bridge the gap between your own culture and the Japanese mentality, which will help you a huge impact on your Japanese. 2. Make sure the teacher offers personalized content. In order to get the best results, a teacher should be able to design a course just for you. If a teacher sticks to a certain textbook for your private lessons, you might not maximize your results. Second language acquisition is not one size fits all. Everyone is different and everyone learns differently. Through this process, they'll show you how to reach your goals and keep you motivated so you can stop stressing and look forward to faster progress. Ask your prospect teachers if they are happy to design a course just for you. If they say yes, it's a good sign to give them a try. 3. Find teachers who have a flexible approach. If you find a teacher who can design a course just for you, the next step is to check to see if you can change the process or content whenever you need. Life happens. Sometimes you can get busy unexpectedly and the pace of the course can be too fast. Or you might want to learn for a specific event that comes up suddenly, and you should feel comfortable for asking. It's even better if a teacher can recognize your struggles, changing situations, and goals without being prompted. If a teacher can identify and understand your needs, you'll feel supported and encouraged to learn more and more. 4. Find teachers who offer strong learning support. Your teacher should be approachable whenever you need support. Teacher support is essential for language learning. Check if your teacher 1. Provides support for how to study between lessons, not just giving homework. 2. Organizes events to meet other students or native Japanese speakers. Of course, homework can be useful, but if you feel stuck or if a method isn't working, you should be able to ask for support. Joining your teacher's event is a great opportunity to test your progress, to meet other learners, to get inspiration, and to stay motivated. Last year, I invited my students and Japanese friends and teachers to celebrate my birthday. One of my students who has been learning with me for the last 13 years said to me that he studied all the way home, a 2-hour trip, because he was so motivated after meeting my other students and some native speakers. 5. Find a teacher with the right times and availability for you. If you found a Japanese teacher who can do all of the above, congratulations! Your progress speed will dramatically increase and you'll enjoy learning a lot. But there is a downside to these amazing teachers. They are usually in high demand and it's hard to find a booking. So make sure to book well in advance if possible so you can secure your time slot. These 5 tips will help you choose the best Japanese teacher for you so you can have the best possible outcome. I hope this helps you and it leads you to reaching your goals quickly with greater confidence. If you struggle to learn Japanese but you really want to make progress as quickly as possible, consider joining me in the Master Speaking Japanese online course. You'll become a confident Japanese speaker in as little as 4 weeks. The Master Speaking Japanese course lets you study with my lesson videos with my original materials developed over the last 20 years of my teaching. All my students say these are so easy to understand and the example sentences are so useful and fun. You can access them 24/7 without the need to book a lesson. If you feel stuck or really want some personalized help, join the Learning Cafe, my online learning support event, and bring your challenges. I'll help you to solve all and you'll make a steady progress. Also, the optional 15-minute mini lessons are a great way to boost your progress. Try the free lessons with the 7 videos on www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Thank you very much for learning Japanese and I'll see you in the next video.